How to change the file manager settings in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk's file manager. Now let's learn how to change the file manager settings. Click Change Settings in the upper right. Here you can change the layout of File Manager. Let's remove the navigation pane. The navigation pane is no longer visible, but we can just as easily bring it back. You can also choose to show or not show system files and directories. Let's bring back the navigation pane and system files and directories. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to change the file manager settings in Plesk.